This is the notch collar waistcoat, and this is the front part. Cut 4 piece. This is not a real fabric. This is only for the how you can stitch the waistcoat. When you make the waistcoat in real fabric, you can fuse the fusing all over in the front and in the facing also. 1 centimeter seam allowance in all over. This is a main front, and this is the front princess cut. You can stitch like this. Take 1 centimeter seam allowance and stitch this part. After that, this is the back part, and this is the back facing. Sorry, this is the back part, and this is the back princess cut. And you can stitch princess cut in back part and stitch center back area also. Take 1 centimeter seam allowance every seam. This is the facing. And this is the front princess cut lining fabric, and this is the facing. You can attach the facing. First you have to attach the facing together. After that you can stitch this part. This is the back lining. The back lining, and this is the back princess cut. This is the back princess cut lining, and this one is back. This one is back princess cut. Facing. First you have to attach the facing in princess cut. After that you can stitch this part and stitch this part. Stitch this part, and this one is back facing. This one is back facing. See, first you have to attach this one. After that you can stitch this part and this part together, and after stitching you can stitch whole center back together. This is the collar part. You stitch together like this. Take 1 centimeter margin and stitch both part. And this is the back strap. Just take 1 centimeter seam allowance and stitch and not stitch this part.